Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. Here it is Tuesday morning. A lot going on today. Let's start with how the stolen chowder did at Robin's work. Robin also took a pasta dish I did last Friday. Cajun, don't remember the name of it. The recipes are starting to blend together, folks. You just got to bear with me. But both dishes were received and did very well by the Fab Five. The Fab Five are Robin and the four other ladies that work in her office. So, last night, because my chowder was stolen, I prepared the spiced lamb and eggplant stew, and I put that over couscous. Perfect. It was great. And again, Robin Hill Greco submitted those three ingredients, which were lamb, cinnamon, and eggplant. Today, I'm doing my baking today. And today's recipe is, let me try here. I want to get it right. Amish cinnamon bread. So it should be fun. Let's see what I got going on the counter. Actually, the first stage, I have two stages today. This is for tonight's dinner. I'm just doing some pasta yumminess. We'll be doing a long pasta, red chili pepper flakes, olive oil, garlic, Parmesan cheese, and a dusting of parsley. And there's my paperwork and recipes and blah, blah, blah. And here we go with the Amish cinnamon bread. Sugar, flour. I'll be making my own buttermilk. And got a couple eggs and some baking soda and some cinnamon, of course. And again, the butter. So today I am busy. This morning I'm actually going to a local restaurant and continuing, which I haven't brought it before. I'm trying to get rid of the glitter. There we go. I've been doing some consulting at a local restaurant here. And so I'm going back in this morning for about an hour. And then I'll be coming home. Hopefully the butter will be softened so I can make this yummy bread. And then dinner, as you can see, is very simple. Not much really, no prep really going on there except for the parsley, except for the mise en place. So today's busy but simple, thank God. Yesterday, I did not stop moving until after dinner. So have a great day, eat great food, have fun cooking.